Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how can you create a smooth slow motion video using CapCut PC. So first you can open the CapCut PC apps and import your video that you like to add and that you like to edit, and for example this one. So to make it smooth slow-mo, just go to speed at right. You can select normal and you can select times. So just swipe to the left for slower and you can swipe to the right for faster. So I'm going to make it slow-mo and I'm going to swipe to the left for the slow motion, and you can find the smooth slow-mo option, just turn on it and select the option frame blending or just optical flow. To better quality, you can select the optical flow. It's processing, but it's longer time to process. Yeah, that's it, and you can see for the final result. But this is still processing. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.